Winter doesn't have to mean an empty garden or bland meals. What if I told you that with just a few simple tweaks, you can grow fresh, nutritious greens even when the ground is frosty? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to keep your garden and your plate full all winter long. So, why winter greens? Kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and arugula, they're not just tough, they're nutritional powerhouses. These greens love cool weather, growing slowly for richer flavor. And get this, frost actually makes many of them sweeter. If you want to eat fresh, save a little cash, and keep your green thumb active all year, winter greens are an absolute game changer. But not all greens can handle the cold. You'll want to pick varieties labeled as winter hardy. Kale, collards, and some lettuces can survive down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Spinach and mustard greens, they actually thrive with a little frost. Choosing the right seeds makes all the difference when winter tries to crash your garden party. Let's talk growing tips. Start with well-draining soil and mix in plenty of compost. Raised beds, they help keep roots warm and dry. Don't crowd your plants. Good airflow is key for healthy leaves. A simple row cover or cold frame protects your greens from harsh nights and stretches your harvest well into winter. Water consistently, but don't overdo it. Wet leaves and cold weather can lead to rot. Facing frost or pests, throw on a light cloth or plastic at night to guard against freeze. Keep an eye out for slugs and aphids, even in the cold. And when it's time to harvest, pick the outer leaves and let the plant keep on growing. Winter doesn't mean you have to stop gardening. Start small, protect your greens, and enjoy the freshest, most flavorful veggies, even on the coldest days. If you found this useful, tap that like button, subscribe, and join me for more hands-on gardening tips all year round.